Yoga within the Arkin body. Turn up VHS Splicing video tape. Yoga within Arkin 1987. It was printed on the 14th January 1996. Watch.
To the right. If your neck feels stiff as you roll, try lifting the shoulders just a half an inch. Reverse. To the left, keep breathing, and back, and right, and forward. Lift the head, keep the back straight. Then at the elbows, touch the top of the shoulder. Let's release the upper body tension now. Inhale, elbows right very high, and wing way back, and exhale. 2 more times. Inhale. And back. 1 more time. And back. And relax the arms. The last motion, reach back, interlock the fingers, lock the arms straight, chest expander, let the head drop forward, chin to the chest, let the body fold forward. Very gently now, be careful. As you lift hips off the heels, gently let yourself roll to the top of the head, and now pull the arms up as high as you can. There's a tiny bit of pressure on that acupressure point at the top of the head. Arms down, hips to heels, Larry's spine inhale, and exhale. Remember to keep your eyes open throughout that activity. You're breathing deeply. You're doing the motions as fully as possible without forcing and jamming the neck and the shoulders. And hopefully, if you release enough tension, so you know. Let's take a moment to relax. Come to sit in a comfortable cross-legged position. And for a moment, draw the focus to your spine. Stretching the spine nice and straight. Let the shoulders go down and away from the ears. Relax the throat. And bring it. A deep inhalation, a full exhalation. And with every breath, let go. Now that's really a very good basic